Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is Tuesday, and we're going to start following Kathy around to see what sold for us today.
Hey, guys. All right. That's all the way over there. So box R. Sold these little baby Keen boots for $27 plus shipping on Mercari. I picked them up for $4.99. All Keens are good to look out for. Okay, and I sold this, I don't know. The brand is African Botanics Shimmering Gold Oil. I'm honestly not really sure what you do with it. I think it's just like to
like
put on
bronzer?
yourself to like go to the beach and look shiny. I really don't know. If you know what it is, let me know. But this came in my FabFitFun box and I was not going to use it, so I listed it. This actually retails for a lot. I think like 50 or 60 bucks, but
Okay.
because they came in the FabFitFun, everybody's listing them, and so the prices were like around 15. I think I listed mine at like maybe $17.95 free ship, knowing that I always run a sale and it would pretty much bring it down to the 15. And it sold with the sale for $16.16 free shipping. So shipping's only gonna cost about $3.50 or so on that. Yeah, my FabFitFun box was actually free this last month because somebody joined with my code, and when you guys join with my code, I think I get 50 bucks. It's 50 bucks like towards a box. Yeah, it's not like cash or anything. So my whole box was free, which was awesome. So that's all profit after the shipping and fees and everything. So. Alright, sold another pair of Keen boots. I guess people are starting to shop for fall and winter, considering I sold 2 boots in one day. And I sold a sweater, which you'll see in a little bit. So, yeah, these ones are the ones I picked up at the garage sale. So I have $8.33 into them. Sold them for $35 plus shipping on eBay.
And we don't typically list by season per se, but lately we've had so much stuff that we are trying to list our, spring, summer stuff right now. But yeah, don't be afraid to list your fall stuff and winter stuff during the summer months.
I couldn't tell if it said AD or AL. It was AD. So these are some jeans that I never heard about the brand, but I could tell they were nice, so I looked them up. There wasn't a ton of sold, but there was enough for me to grab them. I did pay $8.99 for these, which is kind of a lot considering I never heard of it or anything, but the comps were in the $40 to $50 range. So I think I listed mine at 40 plus ship. They've been listed a while. I changed it to 50 free ship, and then they just sold for $44.95 free ship. I think that must be the price with the sale. I'm not sure if maybe that's what I changed the price to. I honestly don't remember. I just know I recently changed the price and then they sold, so awesome. So yeah, $9 into 45. Shipping is $7.76, so pretty good. The brand was The Field San Francisco, and they were like a salvage denim, which maybe we can put some pictures in the video what that means. Like I kind of just learned it a month or two ago, but it's like when you inside your pant right here, it's kind of like folded up differently. I don't know.
I'll show some pictures here.
If you see that, it's definitely going to be a better quality denim. So
it's kind of meant, it shows a higher quality because they're finishing like the inside of the jeans.
Yeah.
And a lot of people who have selvage jeans like roll the cuffs up, right?
Yeah.
So to show that off, I guess.
Gotta know. Alright, so sold these men's Nike swim trunks for $24.95 plus shipping. I have about $5 and some change into those. CA. Okay, so these women's Teva sandals, or Teva. I feel like somebody, didn't we say that it was Teva, but then we still call them Teva?
Oh, I don't remember.
I don't know. I don't think it actually matters, but yeah, so these sold for $25 plus shipping. I have $7.99 into those.
Yeah. If you're new here, we do mispronounce things, but a good thing to know is you don't have to know how to pronounce something to sell it. You just have to know how to spell it. So
I sold these Freebird sandals. These are like a 5-inch heel. I don't know how anybody walks in this kind of a thing, but I do think they're kind of a nice sandal. So I mean, Freebirds usually sell around 100. These particular style, I could not find very many comps on, but I only have $7.11 average cost of goods into them. So someone asked me on Facebook if I'd take 60 plus ship, and I said yeah. So they've been listed probably a month at this point, so I was happy to just move them and still make about a $50 profit off those. But I probably could have got closer to 100 if I waited longer. All right, CP for the last one. There's that sweater. So this actually sold on eBay through the global shipping program. It sold for $29.95 free shipping, and I have $6.99 into it, and I'm gonna ship it out in a padded flat rate. So not a huge profit. I think I recently dropped the price on this as well. The brand was, I didn't write it on here.
Oh.
I just bought it because I thought it was a nice looking sweater, the floral embroidery and stuff. So
Yeah.
Knowing how long it took to sell, I would not pick it up again, but yeah, I thought I could get around 40 for it originally, but only ended up getting about 30. So yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and get this stuff packed up real quick, and we'll be right back with you guys. All right, guys, got everything all packed up. Not a whole lot going out today, but that's just fine. We actually haven't. Let's see.
Thankfully, everything that is going out is kind of lower cost of goods, so
Yeah.
it was still a pretty decent day.
Yeah.
But yeah, we've been trying to list.
Yeah. So far.
I feel like we haven't went over the board for like almost a week.
Yeah, it's been a
but
little while, so let's kind of dig in.
I know I didn't. Oh yeah, because we never even mentioned you listed some, so yeah, we kind of like stopped videos for a couple days after jury duty because we were just busy. So yeah, I did on Friday 13 and Chris did 3, and then on
I did a whole 3 listings, guys.
on Saturday I did 31. I don't remember doing that all, but I guess I did. I know I had a bunch of shoes, so I probably did.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, nothing for the last 2 days, but then today I've gotten up 15, and he's gotten up some, but I forgot to write them up.
Yeah, we haven't wrote down what I listed.
What'd you do? You did 3 books.
It wasn't a whole
video
lot.
games.
Yeah. I mean, maybe like
You probably did
maybe
most of the time.
$150 worth.
No, but items.
I don't think 10. I think
3 books, some video games.
like 6 or 8.
Those IQ tester games.
That was listed a while ago, so.
At least 5 listings for
Yeah,
him.
yeah.
So, yeah, that would be cool if he can keep it up. At least even 3 a day would be good. Like, that would be an additional 15 a week just on you.
Yeah.
He does like all the YouTube stuff, so that
Takes
I
up
don't
quite a
do
bit of
any
time.
that.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I have more time to list and stuff like that. But yeah, we're just gonna keep working through the rest of the week and hopefully get a bunch up. But I guess tomorrow's the last day of June, huh?
Yeah.
So one
yeah.
more day, maybe I can at least get like 20 more listed would be cool.
And it is Tuesday tonight. We are going to be live with the
yeah.
Nurse Flipper.
You took
on
up
her
the whole
show.
space, so I kind of
Sorry.
erased it. But yeah.
So that obviously this video is going to be up after tonight. So hopefully you guys saw that, and if you haven't, maybe go check it out. Hopefully it went okay and we didn't like miss it this time again. Last time we got the timing all wrong and we missed it big time.
We got alarms set this time, so
Sorry, Kat, and
If we
thank you
miss
for
it,
giving us
that
a second
would've been
chance. And yeah, we a couple days ago recorded 3 haul videos. One of those is already live, and
And on Sunday, yeah, we didn't get anything listed, obviously, but I got all 3 of those hauls, which
Yeah.
is like a ton of items.
It was a lot of
like
stuff.
100, probably 200 items. They're all typed into inventory. All I have to do now is photograph
yeah,
and then bag, list. But to me, inventorying is like the part
Yeah.
I really, really dislike. So.
yeah, photographing and inventorying.
Yeah.
The shopping and the listing isn't too bad.
No.
That's kind of like the most exciting parts. I think a lot of people think listing is not that fun, but you find
It's
it.
not super
you
fun,
find it
but I
kind of
can
fun.
put on
Yeah.
YouTube, I can put on ID channel,
Yeah.
whatever I want to watch.
You could do it in your bed. You could do it.
Like if you're at a real job, you can't just watch ID channel or YouTube or whatever. Like
Right.
you can't even put headphones on. I mean, maybe some jobs you can,
Some
but
jobs.
my old job you could not.
Right.
You have to be present and available to answer phones, talk to customers. So
Yeah.
it's my kind of job that I like.
And on Sunday, I did make a purchase. You can kind of see that bin down there. Some fun stuff. You'll see that on the haul. We did show that off on I think the last haul that's going to be going up of the 3. But yeah, basically just going through, and I mean we've cleaned up here a little bit. It It was a mess up here for a few days, and that was one of the big reasons why we didn't record. I did kind of twist my ankle a little bit, so walking hurt for a day or so, but we are back to kind of our normal schedule. Hopefully July we'll be able to put up. I think June is probably our month with our least amount of videos so far since we've started. I don't know. I haven't done that math yet, but there's quite a few days this month that we missed. Just, you know, it's the summer. We were kind of hoping that we would have a lot more time to be doing more videos and stuff, but yeah, it's turning out to be that we don't have a whole lot of time, free time to do the stuff that we wanted to do during the summer. You know, we wanted to do more traveling and stuff, and
so July we probably won't get. I feel like July will probably be like
similar.
June,
Yeah,
both kids' birthdays is July.
Yeah.
Your sister's gonna be here for a month. And
Yeah.
The kids are probably gonna want to play a lot together.
Yeah.
And I do want to get at least like one more trip in. Maybe I wanted to do a whole week trip, but I realize that probably can't happen. But maybe 3 to 4 day.
Yeah,
trip,
like a
I don't
long
know.
weekend or something.
Even if it's in Colorado, just there's a bunch of places I want to go. It's the time to sit down and figure it all out.
Yeah.
Get the Airbnbs. Usually we bring Reese with us, so we have
Yeah.
to find one that's
He's the
doggy-friendly.
troublemaker. Huh, Reese?
He's like the perfect dog to rent an Airbnb to. All he does is this. So,
Yeah.
but yeah.
And yeah, June turned out to be very busy. We had my brother moved back to Colorado. We weren't expecting that. And yeah, my younger sister who just had her baby is visiting. I think she's on maternity leave, and she's with my mom for a couple weeks, maybe a whole month. So lots of personal life stuff happening in the summertime, which we kind of weren't anticipating. So anyway, enough about that, guys. That's going to do it for this What's Old video. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in the next one. Bye.